Hey guys, how y'all doing? We're going to do something just a little different this time. I hope this is working. I got the GoPro 9 with the mod on it, and instead of showing the road, we're going to come in and do a little bit of vlogging in the car. Today's weather is very cold. We just got done going through 3 inches of rain last night. On board I have Stormy, and I have my lovely wife. We're headed to Versailles State Park. We're going to look at the trails. If the trails are too dang muddy, then we're just going to get into something. We're going on an adventure, but we don't know if it's going to be a trail adventure. If it is a trail adventure, it's not going to be a long one. Because like I said, 3 inches of rain, I can only imagine what them trails going to look like. All right, I will come back in. Tell you what, I will vlog back in when we get to this Versailles State Park. Yeah. And we'll look at it. Well, can't look at it together because I won't be showing the road, but we'll talk about it, and then we'll get out and do things. Okay, we have arrived, and I'm going to tell you now, the water is majorly up. If we can make it back to the dam, we'll get some footage. Getting ready to pass the guard shack. We got to stop. There's nobody at the guard shack. It's off season, so. But you still have to stop. All right, let's head on down and let's take a peek and see what we got, and we'll go from there, guys. Okay, the road going back to the dam, the water's not over it yet, but I say probably the next couple hours it will be. So we won't be back here that long, but holy. Wow, it's always a sight to see. I know you guys are not seeing it yet, but it's always a sight to see when this dam is going like it is right now. There's nobody back here either. We're definitely going to get some dam footage because this is one hell of a sight to see. My God. I've seen it a few times like this, and it always blows my freaking mind. All right, let me hook up the selfie stick. We'll get some dam footage, and then we'll go from there. It is freezing cold right here, oh my God. But look at this, holy. I've actually seen it worse than this. I mean, this is super bad, but it's going to get a lot worse than this. 3 inches of rain in one day? Yeah. I'd say with the next couple hours to be over that road. Let's go back towards the park where we fish at, and let's look at that. Then maybe see about hitting a small trail if we can. I'm going to get my thermal on, and I'm going to make sure my wife is warm. Because if she isn't warm, I'm going to do the hike by myself. I don't want her to freeze. Alright guys, we'll see you on the other side. Okay, we're going to try a very small trail. Actually, this is one of the first trails we've ever did here at Versailles State Park. We're going to try it and see how muddy it is. But if it's muddy, that's okay. We're going to get a lot of other stuff up here too. But wow. Just listen how peaceful this is. Let's go to the trail, guys. Alright guys, I'm hoping he does it again. There's a beautiful woodpecker. Oh my God. That's a heck of a sinkhole. Oh, I'm gonna show you guys a sinkhole, okay? Holy. Look at this sinkhole. Holy. That's one heck of a sinkhole. There you go. Did you hear that woodpecker? Alright, we're thinking this trail kind of goes around. We've never been on this part of the trail, to be honest. Okay, I'm trying to pick up the sound of that woodpecker again. Two ways to get in and out of here. We're going to, what do you think, follow it on through? Yeah. Yeah, I think so too. In other words, we just passed another trailhead. We're going to keep going now. Something about being in nature, something about being in the woods, the forest. This is the forest. Something about it is just lightning. It's moving. It's healing, guys. You know what? We must be very close to that woodpecker because he stopped. All right, let's get some more beauty, and I'm stoked. I'm stoked. Because I honestly thought the trails would be too bad to go on. See, we're up on top of the hill here in Versailles, and I figured some of the wind might be blocked because here in the forest, and I don't know. I'm just thinking the trails would be better, and so far I think I've been right. Does that mean I'm an expert? Hell no. I just got lucky. All right, let's get some beauty, and yeah. Oh my God. Enjoy it with me, guys. Okay, we had to make a judgment call. Some of the trail is very dangerous as the mud, and when it gets to the hills, I want to be careful because back we did the Fallen Timber Trail last year, and I had an accident on it. I came down that hill right on my butt, and I'm lucky I didn't break my tailbone. So far, so good with my new hiking boots. Well, my newer hiking boots, they ain't brand new now. We just came down a pretty good hill, but it's not that bad. But up further, it's way worse. So what we're going to do is hike this back to the road and go from there. Now the trail that we're not doing, the big hills, is doable. If we had our hiking sticks and I wasn't filming, and well, storming could be a hassle, but at least one hiking stick for me, it'd probably be doable, yeah. You know, but what goes up does come down. It'd still be doable. But we don't have the hiking sticks. Actually, I don't own any hiking sticks because I'm filming most of the time on the trails. Angie does that. But still in all, oh my gosh. We may not have put many miles here today. We put some, but my God, it is so self-healing. What is it that drives me and my wife to the woods, to the forest? What powers us? What makes us keep wanting to go back? Well, obviously the beauty. I mean, my gosh, look at this. It is so breathtaking through here. So peaceful. I can literally hear my stomach growl. At home, it's never that nice. I'm never that quiet. No, not where I live. Cars going up and down the street all the time. Oh. Even when I do my morning walks, although my music, well, with my new music hat, it doesn't take out sounds from the cars and stuff like that, but still, you know, It's never this peaceful on my morning walks, never this quiet. All right, guys, let's hike to the road and we'll go from there. I will say the wind isn't as bad right where we're at right now. So it's not as cold as it was down at the dam. And the trails are doable. It's just I don't trust the hills. Actually, Angie put the brakes on, or should I say compass, because of what happened to me last year. I dang near broke my tailbone, but I came out of it fine. All right, we're headed to the road. All right, guys, here's what we're going to do. We're going to walk the road back to the car, which is pretty much about 1.5 miles. Then we're going to go to the campsite, which we're okay to make it in there. At least we think we are. I mean, it's off season. And we're going to go to our old campsite and reminisce about one of the best days we had up here at Versailles State Park. And we're hoping to have more of these at this campsite come summer and other campsites just like it. All right, guys, we're going to put about 1.5 miles in, and we'll see you at the campsite unless something else comes up. Yeah, unless something else comes up. All right, we'll see you then. Real quick, I know I said I'll see you guys at the campsite, which Angie says we may not be able to get in there. They may have it blocked off. But just to let you guys know, for the last hour, well, not your all's hour. We've been doing this for a little bit over an hour now. I've been carrying a bag of poo in my pocket. Yeah. No matter where we go, she can poo before we leave home. She can have 3 or 4 poos. But no matter where we go, she's going to have another poo wherever we arrive. And here in Versailles State Park, you got to bag it up and take it out with you. So I am carrying a bag of poo in my right pocket. That's thought I'd tell you all that. Oh, road closed, guys. We camped maybe about a half mile down that way. I'm on my other selfie stick, by the way. So this will conclude today's video, y'all. We got to see the falls, which I'm going to tell you now. In the next couple hours, that the road that we took down the falls is going to be overfilled with water. Guaranteed. We got to hit a little bit of a trail, and I was surprised. Some of it was walkable, hikeable. But I didn't want to do the hills because of what happened last year when we did it, when they were wet. I had an accident. Plus, I would have done the hills if I wasn't recording, and I had the walking sticks. But guys, this will do it, man. If you ever get a chance, get out to nature hike. It is self-healing. Now we're headed back to civilization. Is that what you call it? Until next time, come on, let's get out of here. By the way, if you like today's video, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. I have lots of ventures, but sometimes we have low-key videos with just our average vlogs because Mother Nature right now is not being friendly with me. And when she's not being friendly, I can't do the hikes. But until then, guys, I'm out of here. We'll see you next time.